Hiya, I'm Martin. Today I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions, and that is how do you install a fire sleeve when using the Verplas self-seal thermal duct. So the fire sleeve itself won't physically fit over the Verplas rapid self-seal thermal. So what you have to do is you take a length of the thermal duct and you take the open end, so not the end of the duct to duct connector, and then you slide a length of the rigid PVC duct into the thermal duct. Push that in so it's nice and snug. Then you take your fire sleeve, you wrap that around the PVC duct. You would then ordinarily tape that in place, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do so. And then on the other end of the rigid PVC duct, you take another open-ended piece of thermal, and then you slide that in. Slide that all the way in, so it sandwiches the fire sleeve, and then you've got a fire sleeve in between the two lengths of thermal.